Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I will show you how to draw the screw bar. So sketch and select the plane and then select circle. The diameter is 6. And now we can straight away extrude this one. And the length is 104 minus 20. Select OK. Okay, we have done the longer part, and then we also have to draw the shorter end on both sides. The length is 10 and the diameter is 4. So we have to go to the first end and right click and select create sketch. Draw. The length, the diameter is 4. Okay. And then select this one, select surface and extrude. The distance is 10. Okay, so you can mirror if you want to do it. But in this case, I'm just going to do it the simplest way. Just going to draw again. Create sketch. Create a circle. Diameter is 4. Select solid. Extrude and select this profile. And the distance is 10. So we have done the component screw bar.